Tiga.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start a presentation about lesson plan teaching speaking, first I want to introduce ourselves. My name is Madullah Haliza, and my colleague is Nur Habibah Mashhurah, Ulul Asmi, Bagus Febrian, and Ulil Muflihah. So, first I want to explain about input stage. From video input. So this video show real life conversation into different places, a formal restaurant and a fast food shop. It follows a family and a group of friends as they enter the restaurant, talk to the staff, order their food and drinks, and enjoy their meal. And then second is purpose of video. So the main goal of this video is to teach how to communicate in English when dining out. It helps learners understand the flow of a restaurant visit, from asking for a table to paying the bill, so they can feel more confident in real situations. And then the last is function of video input. This video serves as a practical guide for learning culinary vocabulary and social manners. It shows how to use specific words for food, like lasagna and tacos, and how to ask for things politely using press like I would like something, or could you please, like that. Next.
Is control practice. This lesson follows a structured scaffolding method to build student communicative competence by systematically advancing from vocabulary recognition to situational language application. You can, okay, please, thank you. Okay. Okay, now this some activities to make improvement to speaking skill for student, like activity 1, word guessing. The objective is to trigger student focus and quickly assess their prior vocabulary knowledge. And the teacher action is flash visual cut of food and drinks rapidly to the class, like target vocabulary like grilled chicken, vegetable soup, lasagna, ice cream, chocolate cake, lemonade, and orange juice. For the student action, spontaneously and accurately sort out the correct names of the food and drink in English with proper pronunciation. The second activity is test description. The objective of this activity to expand student vocabulary by introducing a descriptive adjective for different food flavors. So in these activities too, the student will learn adjective because according to the activity 1, they just see in the picture, and in the activity 2, they explain how the taste of the picture. And teacher action, then the teacher action is show food and drink card from the video's context and ask from question about their taste. Like example, how does the lasagna taste? And the student action, what's the food and drink items with the correct flavor adjective, like grilled chicken to savory, lasagna to cheesy, ice cream to sweet, chocolate cake to bittersweet, and lemonade to sour. Yeah, next. Okay, these activities Ulul will explain.
For the next activity, which is the third activity, student will do a chronological sequencing task. The objective of this activity is to train students' logical thinking as well as their listening and viewing comprehension by identifying and arranging restaurant activities in the correct order based on the video they watch. First, the teacher divide the students into groups and give each group a set of shuffle cards. Then students work collaboratively to arrange the cards into the correct chronological order based on the video. The steps on the cards include asking for a table, ordering drinks, ordering the main course, ordering dessert, and asking for the bill. After all group have finished, the teacher and students check the answers together and discuss the correct sequence. So through this activity, student can better understand the flow of the instructions in a restaurant, also developing their teamwork and critical thinking skill. These activities follow a structured scaffolding method, starting from basic nouns, moving into descriptive adjective, and finalizing with real-world contextual chronological order.
Okay. Free production is role play activity. First is role play activity. The first activity is role play activity. In this activity, students work in pairs and each as a server and a customer in a restaurant situation. They practice speaking English by using expressions such as I will, I like, could I get, and I will have that. The teacher provides instruction, monitors student performance, and gives feedback after the activity. After the activity, student can perform their role play in front of the class, or record it using their smartphone. This activity helps students improve their speaking skill, confidence, pronunciation, and ability to communicate in real life situation. And the second is independent real interaction with the media. The second activity is independent real interaction with the media. In this activity, students practice English in a real life situation by acting as customer ordering food or drink. That they interact with servers and use polite expression that have been learned during the lesson. Students are expected apply the K process naturally and confidently in authentic communication. The activity is recorded as a video and submit as evidence of learning. This activity allows students to experience real communication, develop their confidence, and connect classroom learning with everyday situations.
And then the next is digital ordering. So students work in pairs to do the role play as a seller and customer. And then student who has a role as customer should order foods with the key phrase appropriate to the material use voice note. And then student who have a role as a seller should reply about the order with the appropriate key phrases of the material using voice note. And then the final result should screen recording and submit to the drive. And then the next is designing, presenting, and asking. So student work in pair to design a picture of the menu in the restaurant, and then student presenting their menu in front of class and offer the customer to order the food. So other students as an audience should respond and ask for order to the presenter. That's all. That's all from us. Thank you for the attention.